If you want to unlink your Shopify account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the connection is properly severed. This process will help you manage your online presence more effectively. Step 1. Log into Shopify. Access your Shopify admin panel by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the admin dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu where you can manage various integrations. Step 3. Select Sales Channels. In the Settings menu, find and click on Sales Channels. This section will display all the platforms connected to your Shopify store, including Facebook. Step 4. Remove Facebook Sales Channel. Locate the Facebook Sales Channel in the list. Click on the More Options next to it and select Remove or Disconnect. Confirm your choice when prompted to unlink the account. Step 5. Check Facebook account. Finally, log into your Facebook account to ensure that the Shopify integration has been removed. You can do this by going to your Facebook settings, selecting Business Integrations, and verifying that Shopify is no longer listed. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Shopify account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Shopify support for more help.